The dashcam is considered one of the greatest inventions in the world of logistics, but unfortunately, many logistics owners don't know the importance of having them in their fleets, especially those who own smaller fleets. A dashcam is an image capturing device or camera fitted on the dashboard of the car or on the windscreen. Dashboard camera records everything in the front of car as well as inside the cabin view. It's an effective way to capture your driver. In other words, a dashcam acts as a silent witness in case you are involved in any irrelevant incident. Importance of dashcam: it reduces illegal driving, protects life, saves cost, and you can get the complete visibility of the trip. Dashcam stepped into many logistics and trucking industries to witness every move of the vehicle with the video that has been continuously capturing, recording, and stored in the cloud server of every detail like driver monitoring based on his facial reaction, accident investigations, fraudulent activities, asset theft, and fuel theft. Now, let's see top 3 and most recommended dashcam models. JC400P. This device will give you the data as per the driving behavior of your driver. It has a set of dual cameras with simultaneous dual recording, one camera facing the road and another camera facing the vehicle's cabin. JC400P is very compact for mounting it to the windshield without taking any space on the dashboard. It comes with a 1080p front camera that records everything on the road and in the cabin. The JC400P 4G dashcam enables you to get a more complete view of the situation in case of any accident or emergency, day or night time. In the event of a serious accident, collisions, or improper driving behavior, the JC400P will capture every videos and send them to the cloud for storage. With a 4G connection, you can have a faster data speed and a wider network coverage, enabling you to respond or take actions immediately. Or, in the event of an other emergency, one press of the panic button will trigger the device to help the driver or passenger to initiate an emergency call to preset SOS number. The external SOS button can be installed within easy reach of the driver or passenger for quick actions. Next is JC400. It's an ideal companion for daily driving and long-distance travel. As a dual-channel dashcam, it has a front camera to record what is happening on the road and a detachable driver-facing camera that records every details inside the car. As an integrated product, it supports GPS tracking, G-sensor, and emergency calls, making it a perfect choice to deter crime, record bad motorists, and more quickly resolve disputes resulting from the traffic accidents. Detachable cabin-facing camera enabling you to simultaneously monitor the situation in the cabin and road. Next is JC400D. It's an advanced dashcam which supports ADAS, that is Advanced Driver Assistance System. JC400D monitors such potentially dangerous and illegal behaviors and alerting the driver when any sign of these behaviors like distraction, fatigue, smoking, closing of eyes, yawning, and usage of phones are detected by the driver. Long-distance trucks, vans, and taxi drivers are prone to fatigue. It is of paramount importance for you to be able to immobilize your vehicle if you find the driver has exceeded their kilometer limit, that is HOS. Besides, you never know if your vehicle is safe from theft or unauthorized use, so the remote engine off feature of JCV400D will help you a lot. So basically, ADAS is for the safety of drivers and vehicle too. ADAS is useful to avoid collisions by using technologies to alert the driver to potential hazards or to take over control of the vehicle to avoid such danger. Now let's discuss top reasons why you should have a dashcam in your fleet vehicles. First, in-depth insights. Dashcam serves as a third eye to watch things in a broader perspective for the fleet managers along with GPS tracking software. Second, evidence as a proof. The recorded video footage resolves half of the problems in the fleet business, as wherever you go to solve an issue, the first question will be the evidence. Third is save your drivers from false accusations. Dashcam provides the complete safety for the drivers in case of collisions where not the driver's fault, so the owner can save the driver and company from paying such an expensive amount. Fourth is driver monitoring. Being a fleet owner, a manager never does the guesswork. When it comes to the fleet operations, Dashcam provides additional support to enhance the fleet operations in the best way. For more information, please contact us through sales@vamosys.com or marketing@vamosys.com. Thank you.